many people have been asking me, show me the road leading to Blord Estate. Okay, so I'll show you the road. So this road is coming from Uwakwe, the back gate. So from here that we're entering now, Blord did this road all the way from this junction to the estate, and also did a lot of development inside the estate, like the road construction. He brought the transformer, so many things. So this house by my left is someone else's house, right? But you can see it's facing the third road. So when you're coming to the estate, you see this first police post. This is a police post. Then the second one you're gonna see is in front of the estate. That's the security gate and the double estate gate, which is amazing. Which by far, I think the only estate you can compare with this estate is Awka Millennium City, right? When it comes to fast development and estate being a buy and build, not just by mouth, right? So let's drive in. This is actually a tour and also a educational video telling you about real estate and also about City of David, and telling you to come and invest. You can see the third road, the dual carriageway, and also the third road. You can see there's a man building a mansion. You can see work is going on here. He's building his mansion here. It's sitting on 4 plots of land, which is about close to 2,000 square meters. So here, I don't really know what they're building here, but it looks like it's gonna be I don't know, looks like it's gonna be admin office, right? You can see the transformer, covered transformer. So touring the estate right now, I will tell you that we don't have available plots because we've sold out our 30 plots. The first 30 plots we brought out for sale, we sold it out for 15 million naira each within 48 hours, which tells you that this estate is hotcake. So we are trying to work on our estate because there are some roads that we need to tile. We didn't tile all the roads, so we tile the roads and start some infrastructural development, like building about up to 5 to 20 carcasses, which will be sold to investors who are looking to build. So this is the transformer. You can see we have 500 kVA transformer here, which can service almost all the estates, which in the future we're going to add more depending on the load, right? So that's it. Just like I told you, we are still working on some part of the road, that's to tile it. We didn't tile everywhere. You know how much it costs to tile a road right now. So with that being said, if you watch till the end of the video, there is one plot we have available for sale. That's the secondary market. Some of the investors who bought from us for 15 million is reselling theirs for 24 million naira. That's what the price, the asking price is. So if you're interested to buy a plot here, you have to watch this video to the end, or you can fast forward it, whichever ways you want. Yeah, but you watch it to see, because right now I'm driving almost to the other side of the estate. You can see this road. We still need to tile this road. Yeah, but all this road is not that much. The one we tiled already is even ×2 of the remaining ones. See this one also. We just need to tie it to that fence. You see, we have done all the drainage. We've done all the solar street lights. We've done some of the cables. You can see here we already have lights here, so it's just for you to drop it down to your house and put your prepaid meter, and you start having light. That's why we call it buy and build. Exactly. So moving out of the estate, you can see the security by my left, which is pump action. So if you come to play here, you must be joking. So here is not the, before they say come and pay this one, Chago, all those kind of community payment. No, don't do it here, okay? Once you buy and you pay for your development fee and survey and other fees, you can start developing immediately. So now, since you've watched to this level, I'm gonna show you the ones we have selling for 25 million naira, and it can go for 24 million naira. So there you go. This is the entrance to the land. Yeah, this is the entrance to the land. You can see we have done the drainage. You can see the solar switch lights. It's just the high tension cable needs to come down here, which is not a big deal, you know. Before you must have do your foundation and build your house. We'll have everything ready, right? Yeah, it's actually the plot is at the end of the road. That's by my right hand side. So still, this is me coming down from my car to show you the plot. So there you go. There is where the plot is, and it's a 463 square meter land, which can contain your duplex, you know, your whatever you want to build, your bungalow, whatever you want to build here. It's an amazing land. You can see it's facing the road. So just so you know, you can contact me if you want to buy this land. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in the next video. I remain the best real estate investment manager, the best real estate investment coach right here in the East. So if you want to reach out to me, you can check the description below and call me or WhatsApp me. Okay, see ya.